What's happening, everybody? Beachin with the Boones, and today we're in Coco Beach, Florida, specifically at the Ocean Landings Resort. Let's check out our room and what other amenities they have if you decide to stay here. So we're staying in room 125. Let's check it out and see what it looks like.
Looking for a place to stay that's cheap and convenient in Florida? Well, here's the place for you.
Here's your standard 2-queen bedroom. And this is Ocean's Landing Resort and Racquet Club. You got your wall decor, table and chairs, television. Let's see what's back here. Well, in this little cubby here, you got your microwave and small refrigerator, ice bucket. Let's check out the ice bucket. We'll use that shortly. Oh, here's your bathroom. Looks pretty clean. Got your shelves. Some toiletries. This is pretty nice. Let's see what else. At least it has a ceiling fan, which is pretty neat. Let's quick look at the inside of the room. Let's go check out and see what else this property has. Here's one part of the resort. So we got a real key instead of one of those electronic things.
Now let's go check out the pool in the ocean.
So here at Ocean's Landing, they have several pools with a lot of nice people sitting out in front of them, out by them, getting a tan. And this is called the Sunshine State, right? It's nice and warm here, 75 degrees. Coco Beach, Florida. All right, there's the pool. No. So if you notice, they've got these buildings, this building, and it looks like my camera's got a jittery problem. Here's a little sit-out grill area here. Looks like they're sitting down, have a snack. Got you some tennis courts. And you got you a little tiki bar right here. See if you can. Full of all your favorite beverages. So this is the second pool that we've come across here at the Ocean Landings Resort. This one just don't have the tiki bar, but it does have a restaurant right up over it. And they have their own comedy club right here, Gregory's Upstairs. Now this is some nice coral work here along the edge. So we're going to be heading in between these two buildings, which should be a beautiful Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so if you look way out there, you'll see the cruise ships as they're passing by. The Ocean's Landing Resort setting sail way out on the horizon there. And this is a look back at the Ocean's Landing here in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Beautiful weather, 75 degrees.
Walking distance to restaurants and shops.
Say that again.
Walking distance to restaurants and shops.
And people are out swimming. Also, they have a day spa right on site. They also have a fitness room. So one of the places that are in here is called Mom and Pop's, and it's a nice little hangout joint.
We got the whole bar to ourselves.
And looks like we got the whole bar to ourselves. Bunch of slushes. So this is a what?
Mai Tai.
That's a Mai Tai? Wow. And here's some pineapple upside down cakes. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Pineapple upside down cake. For these fools over there.
Happy birthday, Nikki. Happy birthday.
Here are some cool coasters that look like old vinyl records. Well, that's a look at the Ocean Landings Resort here in Cocoa Beach, Florida. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.